Okay, we're at the Ortona Lock Dam on the Caloosahatchee River. Boat just came from the Gulf side, and he's gonna be heading out here momentarily as soon as them doors get open. They moved about 9 feet. It's not quite 14, and it's not quite 5 feet deep in here when it's down. So you ask me, how do I know that? Because the guy said so yesterday. Okay, they're almost open. Are we gonna get a signal? That is the question. Did not hear a signal, but it could very well be on the radio. Howdy.
Thank you.
Howdy. Boat-dacious. That's definitely somebody's floating condo with glass like that on the back of it. Okay. Boat-dacious. Okay. Then when he closes this, we can go across. That'll be fun.